Ideal Glass Tinting, based in Rancho Cucamonga, California, is a window film and tint provider serving the needs of our clients since 1977. Nationwide companies, contractors, and homeowners from Los Angeles, San Diego, and San Francisco choose Ideal Glass Tinting because of our professionalism on the job and our commitment to provide 100% satisfaction to our clients. Choosing IGT for your home window film or business window film combines the world's best-selling brand of glass treatment films with unmatched expertise, customer service, and highest quality workmanship at the lowest cost. Contact us today for a free estimate.